3, 2, 1.
Prior to her debut as the head spinner, Blair starred in several commercials, including this long-running commercial, which advertised what? The answer is C. Golden's Mustard. Neurologists are physicians who specialize in disorders of what system? The answer is A. Nervous system. Which of these used the tagline, "The Ultimate Driving Machine"? The answer is A. BMW. Who is the protagonist in Minecraft? The answer is A. Steve. In what section of Earth do earthquakes happen? The answer is A. Crust. What's always happy and plays tunes all day long? The answer is D. Pianola. Who is responsible for the design of the Parthenon in Athens? The answer is A. Aquinos. Which city has the most annual rainfall? The answer is A. Mawsynram, India. Which nut is used to make marzipan? The answer is B. Almond. Which celestial body has the highest surface temperature? The answer is B. Mercury. Which team won the second Super Bowl? The answer is B. The Green Bay Packers. The Dutch royal family has been historically associated with what color? The answer is A. Orange. Liquid cooking oil was poured into a container. Which statement best describes a property of the cooking oil after it was poured into the container? The answer is C. Its volume stayed the same. In Season 1 of the FX series, The Shield, what is unique about the bodies left by Dutch Wagenbaugh's serial killer? The answer is C. He poses them face down. Which of the following is a byproduct of cellular respiration in animals? The answer is B. Heat. The Mississippi River flows through how many U.S. states?
The answer is D. 40.
What does the Hebrew expression Mazel Tov mean? The answer is D. Good luck. How many phases are there in a human cardiac cycle? The answer is B. 2. In which novel does Jane Eyre marry Mr. Rochester? The answer is C. Jane Eyre. What 1982 movie starring Meryl Streep and Kevin Kline was about a survivor of a Nazi concentration camp? The answer is B. Sophie's Choice. The language Chhattisgarhi belongs to which language family? The answer is D. Indo-European. A teacher demonstrates a chemical reaction. A student observes that the test tube in which the reaction occurs becomes warm. What is the source of the thermal energy generated by the reaction? The answer is A. Energy stored in the reactants. Internet Explorer, Opera, and Mozilla are examples of what? The answer is B. Web browsers. Of all the languages in the world today, how many are written languages? The answer is C. 200. The digestive, excretory, and reproductive systems of amphibians share a body cavity called what? The answer is C. Cloaca. Which mathematical function describes a curve that passes through the origin and whose slope varies linearly with its y-coordinate? The answer is B. Logarithmic function. What are the two main types of diabetes? The answer is B. Type 1, Type 2. What dog breed has an elongated body, very short legs, short shiny coat, and a long snout? The answer is A. Dachshund. Growth, morphogenesis, and cell differentiation produce the plant what? The answer is B. Body. Which brand introduced denim jeans in the late 1800s? The answer is A. Levi's. What is the marketing slogan of Levi's? The answer is B. Quality never goes out of style. What disorder is characterized by a tendency to repeat self-destructive behavior? The answer is D. BPD. Lots of volcanoes form along which boundaries? The answer is A. Subduction plate boundaries. On the TV show Roseanne, when Roseanne and Jackie's dad dies, Roseanne makes Jackie call a relative to give the bad news. Who is it? The answer is A. Auntie Barbara. Hexagon of Def has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. How many degrees is each angle? The answer is D. 120 degrees. I'm the only one who never makes a mistake, yet always blames others for theirs. Who am I? The answer is D. A politician. In 1903, Mary Anderson invented the first windshield wiper. How did this invention most likely help people? The answer is D. It made cars safer to drive in bad weather. What was the title of Dorothy Parker's first poetry collection? The answer is D. Enough Rope. Which of the following is visible through a reflecting telescope? The answer is C. Moons around Jupiter. What is the study of the electromagnetic waves? The answer is D. Electromagnetism. Of how many pieces does the traditional Sino-European dominoes set consist? The answer is D. 28. The adherents of what religion formed the largest group in the Republic of South Africa according to the 2001 census? The answer is D. Zion Christianity. The title of the national anthem of Greenland is Nunarput Utakar Goravit. What does this mean in English? The answer is C. You are ancient land. Episode V: The Empire Strikes Back, the second film of the Star Wars saga, won which Academy Award? The answer is D. Best Sound. What wears a dress but has no legs? The answer is A. Doll. Which architect is known for the Villa Rotonda and Teatro Olimpico in Vicenza? The answer is B. Andrea Palladio. Which psychological term refers to a person's subconscious mind? The answer is B. Unconscious. In what year did the color burnt orange get its name? The answer is B. 1915. A small aluminum cube is dropped into a beaker of water to determine the buoyancy. Which of these is not necessary in determining the buoyant force acting on the cube? The answer is D. Density of the aluminum cube. What can help scientists gather information for an investigation?